air fall and home remedies. Friends, let's see 3 techniques today for air fall, air loss. Okay, please follow this, and then you will reduce the kind of air fall, whatever is happening. Number 1, onion curry leaves for a hair mask. Use a mixer, especially to make juice from onion. So take onion and make a juice out of it, and prepare the paste from curry leaves basically. Then mix both. Now it's ready to apply on your scalp. Leave it for an hour and then wash it off. So use it once a week like this. Once a week you do this, then it's very, very useful. And then fenugreek seeds and hibiscus flower. Soak 2 spoons of fenugreek seeds. So that's an overnight you have to do. Overnight you soak it, and also take the 2 to 3 hibiscus flowers, right? That also you take. So that means throughout the night, these fenugreek seeds are soaking. That morning you take that. Along with that, this, what you can do, 3-4 leaves, hibiscus flowers, you add it, nicely you mix it. Using a mixer, you do it and make a paste. And then apply that paste onto the head, and then leave it for 30 minutes and then wash it. Use it. This technique you can use twice a week, friends. Okay. Now, the final one, aloe vera gel plus olive oil. So if you have aloe vera oil, take the 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel with the 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So this mix well, both of them mix well. So once you mix well, then apply to the scalp and leave it for 10 minutes and then wash the hair. So this is also one of the best technique, my dear friends. Okay. So with this, so hair loss can be taken care, my dear friends. So thank you everyone from Mahavatar Foundation, all of you patiently listening this right from the today sharing of experiences and all this and holistic life and remedies, my dear friends. Thank you.